Alrighty. It's pretty much my final product right here. So I've been cooking, I would say maybe for the past 10 minutes. Got maybe a couple more minutes to go with some of this pineapple. I'm going to put on there. So again, I marinated my meat with pineapple juice and some sweet rub. Barbecue spice. You can get this at Traders Village if you're anywhere near Grand Prairie, between Dallas and Fort Worth. So, having to drop by Traders Village, pick you up one of those little bottles there. So that's your chicken. And then just having marinated. Like I said, I did mine this morning. Let it soak. Let all the spices get through it. You start cooking within 8 to 10 minutes on boneless chicken, that is. You're done. I mean, I don't know what else I can do to this chicken besides eat it up, so that's what we're going to do here shortly. And it looks like it's all cooked all the way through, and, well, bon appetit. Until next time, I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll try pork chops next time. Show y'all what I can do with them, so. But, this is me signing off.